Hello, welcome to my first video. Today we'll be doing the Oden's Eye mystery box. Ooh, shadows. I did purchase the larger one. We'll start off with the smaller items. So the first one I received is jewelry in this cute little bag. And the first pair of earrings I received are these little hearts that come with this little guy, and then you and then you like put them on. Ooh, good to do that. So pretty. And they just kind of dangle and they can move. Excuse my nails and the wrinkles. Okay, and then I did receive another one. Oop. And yes, I did already open all of these. Once it arrived on my front doorstep, I couldn't resist. Okay, just fell out. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Okay. And this next pair of earrings I received are these. Not really my normal style. I'm very like beige mom, as they call it. But that's actually really cute. Like a slick back bun and then like large earrings, as you can see. I like my bigger earrings. Okay, and then we'll start with the first palette I received. It's the Soul Mane 2 palette. I don't know idea how to pronounce that, and I'm not gonna attempt to try again. Beautiful outer package. Has like a rough texture on the front. And then I already kind of dipped into all these palettes today earlier, so they're kind of all have finger swatches in them. So gorgeous. Let's see. Let's do a couple swatches. Oh man. Starry Sky, I believe. My lighting is really terrible, so it's hard to see. Oh my, you are not going to be able to see that. Let's try, oh my gosh. Oh, the one I just swatched was that one right there, the lightest one. And then Neptune right here. So pretty. We'll just do a couple of swatches, I guess. Oh my. Pretty. And then we'll do Hallucinations. Gorgeous. And then we'll do, ooh, excuse my nails. Oh my, doesn't want to focus. Ooh. That one is Sunlight. Okay, so that was the first palette. Oh, excuse my sniffly toes. Sniffly nose too. Okie dokie. And then the next palette. So gorgeous. My gosh, that artwork, my beautiful little ghost palette. Angelica. Yes, Angelica. Ooh, that little film. There we go. And this is what it looks like on the inside. My word. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's see. Let's watch a couple. We'll do, that'll balance. Boo. Absolutely gorgeous. My god. Let's do Banana Taffy. Oh, that's a cute name. Oh, I don't know if I swatched that good though, but absolutely yes. And then we'll do Little Ghost. Dang, that's nice. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Okay. That's the second palette. Oh no, my hair. And then the last palette, the one I'm kind of most excited about, is the Snow Dream palette. Oh, he's nervous. I'm sure everyone talks about it, but like the first video you ever film, you're just like, what is wrong? Like, woo! So I do apologize. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. So beautiful, my gosh. Just wipe off my paint. Okay, let's swatch a couple. Oh, it's so hard to see. Oh, Snowflake, the Snowflake. And then Mary. Oh, stop focusing on me. And then try Traditional, I believe that's what it said. Oh my. There we go. You know, swatching doesn't really seem that hard when I watch videos, but then when you actually have to do it, you're like, what? Okay, so that is everything I received in my larger mystery box from Oden's Eye. And then just to go over, I put that palette over here, were the 2 jewelry earrings. And those, beautiful. And then the 3 palettes I received. What are these ones? Snowy Dream, or Snow Dream. A little Ghost palette. And then Soul Mane. Alright guys, well thank you for tuning in. It was a little nerve-wracking, I won't lie. But it was actually really fun to film. So I will definitely be seeing you next time.